In this video, I'm going to show you or explain to you how if possible to extend Palmpay loan online. So basically, once you get a loan from Palmpay, you already agreed on the exact time which of course you will use to pay back the loan you borrow from the platform. And once you select the exact date, you won't be able to edit that. And once your loan reach the certain time which of course you agreed on, the money will keep on increasing. The interest will keep on increasing until you pay back the money you borrowed. So now let's say you borrow 10,000 naira for a whole month, which is 30 days, for example. Then you did not pay back as at that the last 30 days, and the money is 10k including interest. So once there's another day added to that 30 days, the interest will keep on increasing till you pay back. And you have to pay everything, even the new interest rate that was added. You have to pay it back. There is no way you can appeal to extend your loan tenure on Palmpay. There is no option for that, because they believe you have already think about it before you come down to their platform to borrow money. So you have to make sure you are ready and you have some expectation that you are actually expecting some money in some days, weeks, months to come, which of course you use it to cover the loan you borrow from their platform. So if you are looking for a way to extend Palmpay loan online, I'm very sorry, it's not possible for you to be